Welcome to EduSys, the all-in-one educational institute software solution designed to transform how schools, colleges, and universities manage their operations. Preschool ERP, School ERP, Academy ERP, College ERP, University ERP. With over 980,000 students, 11 plus countries, and 900 plus clients, EduSys is trusted worldwide.
Hello everyone. Today let us see how the parent login will be visible for an academy in the EduSys ERP. Before we start the video, I would like to inform that the modules and features available to you will depend upon the access permission granted by your respective institution and will be visible only after you log into your account. Please do not get confused by the video demonstration as it shows all features and modules supported by the EduSys ERP system, including those that may not be enabled for your institution. If you wish to explore or gain access to any feature that is currently not available in your login, we kindly request you to contact your institution directly. Let us explore the features in the Academy by the EduSys. Home, Dashboards. The dashboards is helpful for parents as it provides a quick and clear overview of important academy information through easy to read graphs and charts. It consolidates data from various departments, allowing parents to stay informed about the academic performance, attendance, events, and other updates at the grace. This visual summary saves time and helps parents stay actively involved in the children's education. Meeting calendar. The meeting calendar allows parents to view scheduled meetings with academy staff or administrator organized by the institution admin. The calendar helps parents stay updated on all important academy events like festivals, annual day celebrations, alumni meets, and official notices. Parents love the food calendar. It makes it easy to keep track the children meal and ensure the fit their diet needs. Day-to-day activities. Achievements. This screen allows parents to view their children's accomplishment including awards, date, description and related comments or documents. If any details need updated, students can request changes through the admin, making the process smoother and transparent for the both parent and the student. Behavior. The behavior screen helps parents stay informed about the children's monthly behavior at the academy, including interactions with faculty and the administrator. It displays a score based on the positive and negative feedback given by the clear overview of conduct. If any detail seems incorrect, parent can request changes through the admin for accuracy. This promotes better communication and supports students' development. Discipline. This screen allows parents to view their children's disciplinary records at the academy, including incident details, action taken, and outcome. This helps parents stay aware of any issues and understand how they were addressed. Documents. This screen gives parent access to the important records related to the children academy education such as previous academic details, course year, grades, and attachments. Leave summary. The leave summary allows parents to track the children leave requests at academy, including whether they are approved, rejected, or require further action. By viewing the status, parents can ensure leave is managed properly and support the children responding to any academic requirement. Food enrollment. The food enrollment screen helps parents manage and customize the children meal planned at academy. They can select food options including any eligible discount. Parents can also add funds to the wallet and track food and wallet transaction. Parent notification. The parent notification feature helps parents stay updated on important academy information through the alerts sent via SMS, email, phone number, or app notification based on the options enabled by the academy. Parents can log in to the customize the type of notifications they want to receive, ensuring they get the relevant updates about the children's academic life. Personal profile. The personal profile module allows parents to access their children's personal and contact details, family information, medical history, and academy issued certificate by login to their institution account, student account. This helps parents ensure all the records are accurate and up to the date. Campus rating. The branch faculty rating feature allows parents to provide feedback on their academy, institution, and faculty by rating various aspects of their experience. This helps parents actively participate in improving the quality of education and academic environment. They can also submit requests or complaints with the comments and documents if needed, ensuring their concerns are heard and addressed. This promotes better communication and collaboration between parents and the academy. Assigned task. The assigned task screen helps parents stay informed about the children's responsibilities at academy by showing all assigned tasks, deadlines, and current status. It enables parents to monitor progress, support the children in managing or any task, or encouraging accountability. Accounts management. Fee details. The fee particular screen helps parents easily view and manage the children academy fee, including total amount, payment made, balance, scholarship, and due dates. Parents can make fully or partially payments online and select payment terms that suits them. This feature makes fee tracking and payment simply, transparent, and convenient for parent. We feel more in control and confident about the staying on fee particulars. Donate funds. The donate fund feature allows parents to support the college by contributing to the activity fundraising campaign. Parents can easily make donations online through a secure payment gateway or track their contribution. This feature enables parents to actively participate and support the academic community growth and development. Scholarship. The scholarship screen helps parents clearly see the scholarship the children has received at academy, showing whether the scholarship reduced fee by a fixed amount or a percentage. It also explains which fee type and academic year the scholarship applied to, giving a parent a clear understanding of the financial support the academy is getting. Wallet history. The wallet history screen helps parents keep track of the children academy wallet activities such as food, purchases, and other expenses. The screen shows important information like the date, amount spent, remaining balance, and receipts for each transaction. Academic operations. Raise complaint. The raise complaint screen helps parents understand how student concerns are managed at the academy. It shows that the complaints and requests are tracked with a clear status from the submission to the resolution. Dormitory. The dormitory visitor feature helps parents feel secure by ensuring the academy careful monitoring and records all visits to their children's dormitory. It tracks visitor details like name, relationship, visitor name, and proposed promotion, students' safety. This system also allows the academy to manage visitor access efficiently. Outpass history. The Outpass history screen helps parents keep track of the children's monthly Outpass requests at university or academy, including approval or rejection. Parents can see details like planned or actual in-time and out-time status and any comments. Dormitory timetable. The dormitory timetable helps parents stay informed about the children's daily schedule in the academy timetable, including activities, timings, and dormitory details. My Dormitory. My Dormitory screen allows parents to know their children's exact living details at the academy dormitory, such as building, floor, room type, and bed number. Parents really appreciate the My Dormitory feature. It gives us clear information about the children's dorm from the building and floor to the room by and even the bed number. It helps us feel more connected and informed about their living. Transportation. The transportation monitor lets parents track the children academic bus or vehicles in real time using Google Maps. Parents can see the full route and stops. Transportation details. The transportation screen helps parents stay informed about the children academic transportation details, including pickup, drop-off location, vehicle type, route, and estimated time. Library. The library module helps parents stay informed about the children's library activity at academy. It allows parents to see the books the children has borrowed, including issues and due dates, fines, and other details. The library book tracking and fine management system will improve efficiency in managing borrowed books and fines, enhancing student parents satisfaction. Course year room. The course here room screen helps parents stay updated on the children academic activities at academy by providing a clear view of subjects, assignments and timetable for the course year. Parents can understand how the children manages course book, submission deadlines and class schedule. This feature supports parents in monitoring academic progress and encouraging timely completion of assignments.
Thank you. Unlock the potential of your institution with EduSys. Visit our website to start a free trial or reach out to schedule a personalized demo.